Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be installing this wig that is by Wiggins Hair. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate that. But yeah guys, I am loving this wig. Like, look at it. And then the good thing is I honestly didn't do anything to it. I just wet it, put a little bit of oil in it because I didn't want to weigh it down. I wanted it to be really nice and fluffy just like this. But this wig is giving me very much vacation vibes. I'm ready to go. I got my wig, I got my body snatch. Let's go. Let's go. This is gonna be my birthday hair. Yeah, my birthday is next month. I'm a Taurus, so let's get every season out the way so the real baddies can come through. Just kidding. But if you guys want to see me install this hair, just keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the wig. It is so pretty. This is the lace. You can't really see it right now because it's just all going back, but this is the inside of the wig. You can't really see the lace right now because I don't have a part in it, but you will see that soon. It has the elastics on the inside, so I'm just gonna tighten up the inside and I'm gonna pop this wig right on. You guys already know all I'm gonna be using is my Got to Be Glue hairspray, and I've already laid down my bald cap, so we are doing the bald cap method. So I'm just gonna speed this up because you guys seen me do this already, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so now that the wig is on there, it looks really good. Like, I can't believe, normally guys, when I put my wigs on, I always mold my hair going backwards, but I did not, and I did not think about it. But oh my god, y'all, this hair, look at it. Let me scoot back. It's a 28-inch. It comes way down here. So pretty. I'm actually liking it going back off my face too, but we're putting a part in it. So too, because I know this hair is curly and it's like a wet and wavy, but I personally don't like my hair super wet, the wet look. So I'm just gonna take my hot comb to make my part instead of using mousse. Oh, I think I gotta wait for it to get a little bit hot. Oh look guys, I don't think I showed you why I look like I got a big old bump on my head. This hair is huge. I freaking love it. Okay, I think I'm gonna put some mousse on it now so I can bring the texture back to it. Okay guys, you know the drill. I am now done laying my wig and my baby hair, so I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay guys, my makeup is done. We're now gonna take off our head scarf and see what we're working with. I hope it's flat. Ooh. I actually really love it just like this. Like, look at the ends of it. Let's go back. It's really cute. Okay, so guys, I'm loving the hair the way it came out. All I did was, you know, I hot combed the part to make the part a little flat, and I just moussed it down, pulled it back into a ponytail. I always like to brush my hair off my off the hairline, and I just love the way it came out. Like, look at this. This is so pretty. This hair is giving very much vacation. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys click the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment letting me know where you guys are from. Tell me guys how you like this hair. Like, it is it, okay? But okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I love you.